Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Venmo account privacy settings for safer transfers. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Venmo app on your mobile device. Log into your Venmo account if you haven't already. Once logged in, find the menu icon, usually located in the upper left or right corner. Tap on the menu icon to open the sidebar. Select Settings from the list of options. In the Settings menu, look for Privacy and tap on it. Here, you will see different privacy options for your transactions. Choose the option that best fits your needs, public, friends, or private. If you prefer the highest level of privacy, select Private. You can also control who can see your transactions by adjusting your friends settings. To further secure your account, return to the main Settings menu. Select Privacy again, then tap on Profile Privacy. Adjust your profile privacy to private to limit who can view your profile information. Next, go back to the main Settings menu once more. Find Security and tap on it. Enable two-factor authentication for added security on your account. You may also want to set a strong password if you haven't done that yet. After adjusting all settings, exit the Settings menu. Your Venmo account is now configured for safer transfers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.